The National Assembly of Pakistan passed a resolution vowing to try the 9th May rioters who were involved in attacks on military and state installations under the existing laws, including the Army Act and the Anti-Terrorism Act. The resolution, which was moved by Defence Minister Khwaja Asif, has been adopted by the House after a majority of lawmakers voted in favour of it.
क्यों सोचने का मुकाम है, 22 करोड़ आवाम का ये सोचने का मुकाम है कि क्यों जो है वो कोर कमांडर के घर को चुना गया लाहौर में, शोहदा की यादगारें चुनी गई। जनाबे वाला, जो कौमें मोहसिनों को याद नहीं रखती, उनकी तकरीम नहीं करती, उनकी कुर्बानियों का एहतराम नहीं करती, तारीख उन कौमों को माफ नहीं करती। ये लोग पाकिस्तानी हैं, इनके चेहरे तो शनाख्त करें। ये कौन लोग हैं, ये कहां से आए, किसने उनको इश्तिहाल दिलाया? वो आज कहता है कि मुझे तो पता नहीं बार बार क्या हो रहा था।
Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has clarified, while addressing the National Assembly, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif clarified that the rioters of the 9th May events will be tried under the existing laws, asserting that no new laws are being introduced. The PM added that there was no vendetta in his heart, but contended that those involved in 9th May riots would be taken to the court of law and held accountable.
जो सिविलियन तंजीबात हैं, वहाँ पर आइन और कानून के मुताबिक और इंसाफ के तमाम तकाजे पूरे करते हुए वहाँ पर एंटी टेररिस्ट एक्ट के तहत मुकदमे चलाए जाएंगे। और जो फ़ौजी तंजीबात, जिसकी तफसील आज भी क़ायद साहब ने फरमाई और भी इस मौजूद ज़बान में ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स अपनी तकारीर में जिक्र करते रहे हैं, लिहाजा ये तमाम मुकदमात ये जो आइन ने कानूनी इख्तियार दिए हैं वो आर्मी एक्ट के तहत चलेंगे, कोई नया कानून बनने नहीं जा रहा।
Chief of Army Staff Asim Munir asserted that the recent attacks on military installations and memorials were intolerable, as he announced that 25th May would be observed across the country as Pakistan Martyrs' Day. The Army Chief passed these remarks in a ceremony held at the General Headquarters, Rawalpindi, to honour the martyrs. The ceremony was attended by a large number of senior military officers and families of martyrs. General Munir awarded military honours to the officers and men of the Pakistan Army for their bravery and outstanding service to the nation during operations. He added that every soldier and officer of the Pakistan Army put their duties and responsibilities first, regardless of regional, linguistic and political prejudices and distinctions. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has moved to the Supreme Court against the formation of Justice Qazi Faiz Isa-led 3-member commission investigating the audio leaks. In the hearing, the Supreme Court judge remarked that they won't take action against any judge as they formally begin an investigation of the alleged audio leaks matter. The other members of the commission include Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court Justice Amir Farooq and Chief Justice Balochistan High Court Naeem Akhtar Afghan. PT's petition was filed through Advocate Babar Rawan, in which the Ministry of Law and Justice and the Ministry of Interior have been made parties. It has been argued in the petition that a judicial commission cannot be formed without the permission of the Chief Justice and no judge can be nominated for it. The petition also argues that the forum for investigation or action against a judge is only reserved to the Supreme Judicial Council. The audio tapes should be done under the nose of the government. It should also be included. The petition further added that the audio tapes should be done under the nose of the government. It should also be included in the investigation process who did these audio tapes. A G20 tourism meeting began under tight security in occupied Kashmir as New Delhi seeks to promote an image of normalcy in a region racked for decades by violence. Both China and Pakistan have condemned holding the event in the occupied valley. India wants to show that what officials call normalcy and peace are returning to the region after New Delhi revoked its limited autonomy and took direct control in 2019, imposing an extended lockdown. Meanwhile, in an address to the Azad Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly today, Foreign Minister Bilal Bhutto Zardari bashed India for its display of arrogance. He lamented that occupied Kashmir had become an open prison today where Muslims were being forced to breathe fear.